Welcome to our STEAMWork Design Studio. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics. This is an interdisciplinary space designed for all students 4th through 12th grade.
I feel like it's kind of like a creative room. I think it's really inspiring because there's a lot of pieces around, like 3D printed pieces and a lot of different robots. And even the wall behind us is dry erase, so you can write on it.
Oftentimes a teacher will come to me with their curriculum and ask about how they can make a particular learning process more hands-on. For example, in physics, we do this boat project where the girls have to design a boat and they have to think about things like center of gravity, they have to think about the buoyancy, but then they actually create a boat, they design it in the 3D software, and then they print it out and they have to test it. The learning really changes when it becomes tangible and it becomes something more like what happens in the real world.
This is the internal support system, so it's really cool how we can see it in the ship.
Also here, it's printing out scaffolding for these. You can see where it came off on this one.
And then right on the side, you can see the mast is already done. See, this one we had the mast attached, so it ripped, but now this prototype is going to be a lot better.
When you step into the STEAMWork Design Studio, you know that it's designed for creating something, for making something.
The way that we use the 3D design space and the lab, we want them to actually think to themselves, all right, is there a different way that I could do this? Is there some way that I could engage with this issue that would further my understanding and the understanding of the people in the community?
STEAM helped me explore not only just one field, but interdisciplinary studies. So with the use of 3D design, I'll be designing a mechanism that people with disabilities will be able to freely write and move their hands according to what they want to do. I'm hoping that will bring a lot of joy to them by providing the assistance.
For me as a science teacher, the STEAMWorks studio represents a lot of opportunities. We will actually be designing products to solve environmental problems, and having a studio means that we can go and print a prototype of the product instead of imagining it or seeing it on paper or a 2D version of it.
Having the STEAMWork Design Studio at Westridge has really helped us to live out many of our dreams. It really helps everybody to think about how to make new, creative, critical connections, and it allows us to push the boundaries in terms of helping girls take risks and to understand that there may not be definitive answers, but they can be a part of finding those solutions.
Why does it go backwards?